Hi everyone, we're back again with another Ask Ashley Q&A. So today's question is, how much does an estate plan cost? So this can really differ from attorney to attorney, and it's one of those areas where you get what you pay for. For example, if you do it yourself online and all you pay is $200, which is quite cheap for an estate plan, you're going to get an estate plan that's only worth about $200, and that might actually cause your family a lot of headache and heartache down the road. So you do want to find an attorney that can draft you excellent legal documents in accordance with the state laws and that encapsulates everything you want to see about how your assets go to your loved ones, under what circumstances, and who's in charge. But you also want to make sure that your attorney will keep you in touch with you as long as circumstances change throughout your life. Your life is definitely going to change. The laws will change. Your estate planning will likely need to change as well, and should stay up to date and reflect all of your changes. So you want an attorney who values a relationship over a transaction and who will keep in touch with you as things change. I'd also recommend that you find an attorney who quotes on a flat fee basis versus an hourly rate. Because if it's hourly, you know hourly rates, but you may have no clue how much time an attorney is going to end up taking to do what you need to get done. So at the end of the day, you have no idea what you're actually agreeing to and what something will cost. Everything we do at Sherrick Law Office is done on a flat fee and agreed to in advance. So you know when it comes to estate planning, what package that you pick that will be right for you and your family. It might be a will plan or it might be a trust plan. And we help you figure out what's right for you and your family at our first appointment. We also discuss this at the free seminars and webinars that I offer at the office. Our will plan starts at about $2,000 and our trust plan starts at $5,000. While those are numbers in a vacuum, at one of the presentations or your first meeting, you'll really learn what that fee covers and what's included. And when you're thinking about those fees and comparing them to other attorneys who might charge a lot less, I would encourage you to really try to compare apples to apples and make sure that the attorney who's charging less would actually do everything another attorney who might charge more would do. For example, for us, an estate plan is just not about the legal documents. Your legal documents are not going to do you any good if you stuff them in a drawer somewhere or on a shelf or in a filing cabinet and nobody knows that they're there, that they exist, and therefore nobody can act on your behalf when they need you to. It's also just not about the legal documents. Even if someone who does know that you have a plan and where to find it, it's also about knowing where all your financials are and what needs to be done with them. It's about the legacy piece. It's about who you are as a parent, a person, your values, insights, your stories and experiences that would be forever lost if you don't somehow capture that, whether through a video or a letter or some way of having conversations with your family and loved ones time after time so that they know really who you are and that that's what your family is going to care the most about. The legal documents will help them get through the transactional time, but we need those things to be really solid, and which we do for you, but that they're really going to care about the photographs, the voicemail, the letter, the video. Those things are going to mean more to your family. So we incorporate that as part of our plan with a legacy video, where we make sure it's not just about the documents we draft, but it's about what you are as a person and your values and stories that might otherwise go completely missing and lost if they're not incorporated as part of your planning. So we're happy to share more with you about our fee schedule. Just give us a call. And we also go into our fees and our process during any of the presentations or webinar, and you're always welcome to attend at any time. Thanks so much, and I look forward to answering another Q&A on Ask Ashley soon.